Hey everyone, this is James here at Homestead Equipment and Maintenance. Today we just finished repairing a BCS 853 diesel tractor. These are walk-behind tractors. Most of them have a gas engine, but this one has a 10-horse single-cylinder Kohler diesel on it. If you find one of these with the diesel, or if you have one, be sure to get it or keep it in good shape. These things are rugged, tough machines. I'm going to go ahead and start it up so you can see what it sounds like.
You just cut that part?
Where you're really going to appreciate that extra torque from the diesel is when you're running especially a flail mower or a rotary plow. Any of the implements that require more torque, you're really going to appreciate that low end torque. Have a great day and keep us in mind if you need one repaired.